You know I can't take this early off, I ain't got time to waste. You know they can't catch me at no lights, I ain't got time to wait. Fish all in my lungs, I guess that's why my people's dilated. Niggas ain't on none, that's why them push boys just lie away. Put my mind on something, that's why the numbers tend to multiply. I can't do no driving 7.
What's up, y'all? We here. You see it over here. You see him over here. You see the Rivian over here. You see the R1S. So you know that means that we're at the Rivian factory.
My baby has arrived.
Dang.
Large and in charge.
Dang, let's go see what's cracking in the front. Dang, bro. Okay, my Tesla kind of looks good in the lighting, but bro, this is the Rivian. This thing is like the Rolls Royce of trucks, huh? Bro, this thing, look, and the wheels, look at the fitment on the side. Oh my God. You don't see a lot of white ones either, huh?
Ooh,
white ones are kind of rare.
The light?
Oh, dang.
Little puddle light.
That's
big,
so cool.
It looks like R2D2, to be honest.
And the build quality, guys, look, it's actually pretty sharp. I'm gonna walk around the car. Y'all see anything weird, y'all let me know. But y'all think like so far looks pretty clean?
So far pretty clean. Obviously, I didn't just sign without looking at the car. I looked at the car, then I signed it.
Before you signed?
Of course, I looked at everything before I signed the paperwork.
You gotta wing it.
No, this thing is so nice.
Yeah.
Guys, look at the hood lines, man. Everything is pristine. The paint looks really clean. I'm not gonna lie, I'm so jealous, bro. This thing is so nice.
It ain't that Model Y though, dog. Just saying.
Honestly, like the black wheels go kind of hard. Not a lot of people have the black wheels. Bro, what do you think of the front? What do you think of the illuminated front? Dude, this is just so cool looking. And then you got the tow hooks on the front for the tug of war.
Is this for me to get some rows in or what?
Yeah.
I could pull it if I wanted to.
Yeah, no, you got back pain. But bro, even like just the styling of the cab itself, yeah, it's a little smaller. It's smaller than like an F150, right? You were saying, Travis?
I don't know. What do you mean?
It is a little smaller. Let's open the front on this bad boy.
Whoa! How much space there is.
You got your hose for the air. You got your hose for what is this? Oh, it's a cable for holding down in the back.
Yo, that's crazy. Dude, this is crazy.
How many human bodies you can fit in there, bro?
You can fit a bunch.
I can fit in there?
Yes, you can for sure fit in there.
So you got your portable charger.
Wow.
But now you got some more room too. Watch this. How do you open the more room?
What?
Bro, I've never been in a Rolls Royce before.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. This is how it naturally is.
Hey, let's see the sticker. Y'all see how much? Damn.
This is the pre-March 2022 price.
That's a steal, bro. You literally stole it from him.
In March 2022, went up almost 20%.
Bro, you stole it from him.
Yeah.
This truck is like, I've never been in a Rolls Royce like I said before, but this kind of looks like it. Bro, that thing looks like it's from like the future. Yeah, you see the R1S over there? Look how dark my front windshield is. You see that? Bro.
You got your flashlight right here.
Yeah, walk us through it. Dude, that's cool.
The flashlight is crazy.
Dude, it has the plastics on it. You see it say used? We don't do used over here.
What says used?
No, I'm saying it's not used because it has the light.
You got the flashlight to catch people slipping at night.
Bro, this flashlight feels nice.
See, weight to it?
Oh.
Yeah, you see the interior? What the?
Just give it to the officer when he pulls you over.
All right, so sir, how do you like the car?
It's good, bro. It's good. It's good.
What about you, sir?
I gotta see the truck bed. You said my what?
What?
Let's open the gear tunnel though. Let's check out the gear tunnel.
Well, people want to see the interior first. Oh my
God. Nah. Exterior first. Look at this.
That's the gear tunnel.
Bro, that's crazy.
Bruh, come on now. You know I can fit in there, bro.
You could fit in there, yeah.
Sure, no doubt.
That new car smell, the seats in this. Bro, I need you to get in the front seat right now.
Exterior first.
Bro, see?
Okay, guys, we're all over the place.
Show me the truck bed.
Oh my God, yeah, the bed of this truck, like, it's not huge, but like, you don't need it to be huge. This is like literally the perfect size.
Is this under compartment? What is that? How that flaps up right there?
Yeah. There's extra storage in the back.
Nah, you're crazy.
Dude, this is so cool.
They showed me a bit ago. I forgot.
Yeah. Maybe you twist the eye.
Nah.
Maybe you got.
Oh, there you go.
Hey, okay, what'd you do?
It's assisted.
Dude, this is crazy.
I pressed the button on the key and then I just left it down. So you got the extra storage right here.
Over here, in this section is where you have the 110 volt. Ooh, that's where the air compressor is.
Yeah, that's where your air compressor is.
You can like pump a basketball.
Wow. This is wild.
This is so nice. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I lost interest in this truck, but now that I'm looking at it again in person, you could tell like.
Hey, this ain't your everyday Tessie.
No.
I'll tell you that much.
How the hell do we open this thing, man?
Rivian doesn't even know this car.
You gotta what, dude?
Elbow drop it.
Nah.
But while this guy's struggling, guys, you see the paint looks literally perfect. Yeah, it's nighttime, you know. The lighting here is great because they're confident in their build quality versus Tesla.
Tesla got really good build quality, buddy.
Yeah, absolutely. Now you see the black roof. Woo! Yo.
You got the spoiler?
You see this? Look,
you got the spoiler. Don't be sleeping. Don't sleep.
Like an airplane.
Don't sleep on the spoiler.
Bro, and this is a truck.
Exactly.
Oh my God. Guys, you see the interior?
Handles.
Wow, this car is so nice. This car is so nice. You see the efficiency. 279 miles. That's how much they gave it to. Sit in the car. Let me know how it feels. Sit in it.
Ooh, look at the seats.
Sit in it, bro. The seats look crazy.
Oh, I feel like it's gonna be massaging my booty.
Dude, how does it feel?
Oh, this is nice.
That feels like luxury,
There's so much
right?
space up here, too.
Whoa.
So we pulled this right here,
I figured.
and we opened this shit right here.
Ooh.
Yo, that's a lot
Wait,
of
what'd you pull?
space.
Oh, you pulled that thing?
This thing right here.
Yeah.
So
That's wild.
This is for a spare or extra storage. You can put a spare tire there.
Putting there,
You can shit-
Bro, this thing's gonna look crazy in the desert.
This thing's gonna take the F-150 for sure. Make sure you
I don't
tune in
know.
for the F-150 video.
You can hold like 10 bodies in this car.
Somehow this truck looks like badass and like super sporty. Bro, the Cybertruck, I'm not gonna lie, looks way uglier than this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tesla fools spammed our Twitter poll on on the Cybertruck versus this.
They said Cybertruck.
They spammed it. They voted 75% versus 25%.
No, there's bots.
At the Cybertruck.
There's Elon's
Yeah.
bots. How does the build quality though look? Dang. Door panels, everything is, wow, everything's so crispy. You see the rear screen, guys? Stop.
Look at
Oh,
the
he found
flashlight,
another
man.
flashlight. Look at the back of the seats. Oh. I would take this over a Cybertruck any day. I'm sorry, I don't really care about 500 miles on a full charge. Guys, wow.
Nah, this shit is crazy.
I mean, this interior, if you guys know Rivian, you know.
So good in here, bro.
Y'all
We gotta
see the
figure out how to open
badge.
this.
She's trying to figure out how to open that, but everything is just so clean. I mean, the panel gaps, everything.
Hey, you know who else has a Rivian?
Who?
Batman. You know the OG Batman, Christian Bale? That's right. Our Rivian guy told us Christian Bale picked up his Rivian from here.
He shows the charge port. How do you open the charge port?
The charge port is a little sensor right here.
Hey, Will.
That's the
you see
charge
that?
port right there.
He just slid his hand on the black piece and it opens up the CCS2 connection.
Clips right there, yeah.
The DC fast charging. Now you're officially a CCS guy. You're not a Tesla
Exactly.
guy anymore.
Hey, but
Crazy.
Tesla's opened up their superchargers to non-Teslas, so I might make use of that.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Elon Musk.
Guys, you see we're here at the Rivian Delivery Center in El Segundo. We're here with the Rivian and the Salmon Tessie and the R1S down there. Lots and lots of deliveries happening here. We have the white spec with the black wheels and the yellow calipers, that big boy battery, and this dude don't even know what's going on.
Look at the center console.
Let's see the center console real quick, guys.
Right here.
Open it from down there.
It's a button right here.
Wow.
It's pretty deep.
It's so clean. The seats, guys, I'm telling you, they're so comfortable. You see the Rivian badge. You see the Rivian thing up here. Wait, do these seats massage?
These seats don't massage,
Oh,
but
I'm leaving.
they got heating.
leaving.
They
They
got,
don't
massage.
they got heating and cooling. They got heating and cooling.
Hey.
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about the car so far? You've
So-
owned it for 10 minutes.
So far,
Yeah.
it just looks dope as hell,
You
man.
think- wow, guys, so we're gonna be taking this truck out to the desert. It has the street tires, it doesn't have the off-road tires. That might be a
How
problem
deep
for
in the
you.
water you can go, dog.
Yeah.
What?
You gotta
We gotta see how deep in the water
You gotta just
you
drive
go.
through like a lake.
Oh,
or
yeah,
something.
Wow.
for sure.
But this is like a
shallow
truck. This is like America right here. Built in what? What state is it built in?
Illinois. It had 10 miles on it when I picked it up. Really? Just 10 miles.
Wow. What are your overall impressions? Because this man has never seen this truck before in person. Seen it on the road.
I can't lie.
Sit in the driver's seat. Get the driver's seat. Yeah.
I gotta get
It's not the same as passenger. Oh, you look
Bro.
good in that thing, bro.
This thing is juicy. It's like, cause I just started f***ing with the trucks, and then to have
Right.
like this type of futuristic ass truck with so much like useful stuff, a little crazy.
I'm gonna be honest,
That's
like this,
crazy.
bro. This truck is literally luxury, speed, efficiency. Bro, it literally, it does everything. It'll beat most cars, right? What's a 0 to 60?
I forget, honestly.
Okay,
but
what
it's
a moron.
fast. It's
It's
fast.
very fast.
This is the quad motor, baby. This is a
Yeah,
quad motor. We
quad
don't
mo-
exactly.
It's a big boy motor. It has all-wheel drive, so this will be good for off-roading. It'll also be good for the quick accelerations. It has a big battery, so it has plenty of range. We saw it's 280 miles. I
Yeah.
don't even know what the state of charge it is, but we're gonna off-road this thing. We're gonna do a full comparison with the F150
Hey.
Lightning.
3 seconds. 0 to 60.
3 seconds.
Hey,
That's fast.
you smoking them all the three. Listen.
He's smoking them all three, but we should put this truck up against this car with the tune.
Who's winning that race? Yours with the tunes?
Nah.
Or his stock.
This Rivian will for sure beat it.
Body
This car will lose, but we should also put this Rivian up against the F150 Lightning.
We're getting the F150 Lightning in a couple weeks.
Yes,
we're gonna make some
sir.
videos with it in the street, in the desert, in the water. Make sure you tune in.
Sir. Let us know what you guys want to see with this truck.
Yeah.
You can see it sitting in the low mode. This car can go way higher with air suspension.
Oh yeah, I put it on
nice.
sport mode,
We're gonna see
baby.
how many people we can sneak through the border and all these.
Yes, sir.
We gotta do some good with it, bro.
Side hustle. Lots of storage in the front. The black wheels, beautiful. Beautiful choice, sir. Anything that caught you off guard?
I thought it was gonna.
It's a major turn on.
I thought there's gonna be some panel gap issues. But I looked around the whole car. I looked for any panel gap issues, dents, everything. I couldn't find nothing. So Rivian did a really good job. And what do you guys think? Should we take off the letters here? Some people take it off.
You think we should take the letters off? I don't know. I'd probably leave them on.
Nah, that's player. For now, it's for sure player.
Wow, you got to see the tow hooks, the mounting points. You don't have the sliding thing, huh? It's not the tonneau
this
cover?
is right here.
The automatic one I ordered, but they stopped releasing it because it had a little issue.
They won't retroactively look at it?
They are looking at it, but they're giving me the manual one for now, and it's going to be shipped to my house.
You drive a Mercedes-Benz, right?
I do.
Would you say this has like Mercedes level of luxury, or?
It does. It definitely does. I drive a CLS, and CLS is nice, but this is nicer. This is way nicer.
I love it. Like the seats are perforated. They're very soft. They look super cool, and
Hey, Charlie,
they just look
come
super
over here.
sophisticated.
Come over here, dude. Look at this. See this side of the door? When have you seen that?
Whoa, that's crazy.
It never pulls out.
Hey,
I know how to feel.
show us a speaker. There's a portable speaker that comes with it.
What?
Right here, baby.
Bro,
Baby.
that's crazy.
Yeah. And we got the outlets in the back, so we're gonna connect the DJ set in the back.
Yo, we could in the desert.
Yeah.
Turn
Yo.
up or what? You think you can suck the air out of this if you couldn't breathe well?
I would. These wheels look clean. What are they, 22s?
21s.
21s.
Yeah, they're nice though.
So what do you think of the Rivian so far, sir?
It's a perfect car. The only thing that would make it more perfect is if it said Tesla on it instead of Rivian.
Well, should we blast something on the speaker right now?
Yes, sir.
You know I can't take this early off, I ain't got time to waste. You know they can't catch me at no lights, I ain't got time to wait. Fish all in my lungs, I guess that's why my pupils dilate. Niggas ain't on none, that's why them pussy boys just lie awake. Put my mind on something, that's why the numbers tend to multiply. I can't do no driving 7 hours, me, I'm in the sky.
Any closing thoughts?
Just make sure you subscribe to Charge Go, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We're gonna do a lot of cool shit with this truck, so make sure you follow.
I'm smoking weed.